Good morning, guys. Miss Medell here. So today we're going to do a tutorial teacher sign-in how-to video. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we're going to discuss is the student tutoring sign-in sheet. Okay, we want to make sure that we are filling this out correctly by putting first our name, the date, which for today's purposes, I'm going to use the 13th, 2020. The subject, I teach is math. And then we're going to have to be TEK specific, okay? So this is where you're actually going to have to take the TEK that you are going to use. So for this example, I'm going to use 82D, and this is going to be to order a set of real numbers. Let's please make sure that we know that tutorials is a time for tutoring, and we're not going to use this time to do any kind of makeup test, retakes, or reteach. We are going to make sure that it is content specific. Okay, so here is my content specific TEK. Ordering a set of real numbers arising from mathematical real world context. Once we have this signed in, we are going to have each student individually write their student ID number, followed by their printed name. Okay, please be sure that we have about 6 to 7 students signed in so that we do get paid for that session. Okay. The next thing that we do want to discuss is the timesheet. We want to go ahead and start with our 5-digit ID number. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For my position code, we are going to put T, and then we are going to print our name, making sure that our last name is first, followed by our first name. Okay. Now, on the days that you are tutoring, so for example, I am going to say that I'm going to tutor on Wednesday from 4:30 to 6. If that is the first day you are tutoring, you need to go ahead and at this time sign your name. Sign your name the very first time that we are tutoring. If I am to tutor again on Thursday, I will go ahead and put my time in as well. Okay. Let's say I made a mistake. Obviously, I cannot tutor from 4:30 to 5. So what I'm going to do, I am going to actually cross out the entire section that I just created, and I'm going to initial off to the side that I made that that mistake, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the very bottom of the sheet and refill in my information, making sure that, again, I'm putting my ID number, my position code, last name first, followed by my first name. And then I am going to go into put in my time. I am here at Wednesday, 4:30 to 6. And then I will be here Thursday again, 4:30 to 6, because I am virtual. I'm going to go ahead and come to the end and make sure that my signature is made. Please note that if you do not have a signature, you will not get paid. So please make sure that you have that. Also, the time cards have to be submitted by 12, so please remember to fill out the timesheet on the same day that you tutor. Otherwise, all late timesheets must be approved by Mr. Pruitt in order to get paid. Okay? No signature will result in your name being crossed off and left out of pay. So please make sure that the first day that you tutor, you go ahead and put that sign your name. Otherwise, you may not get paid. Good rule of thumb, if you do have a question, please don't be afraid to ask. We will be seeing you guys later. Thanks.